Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. Welcome back. If you need reliable tools to create bootable USB drivers, Rufus is your answer. In this video, I will guide you through the quick and easy steps to download and install Rufus. Whether you are prepping for a system install or creating a rescue disk, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Search Rufus, open site, download, open file, choose flash, select ISO, start, write ISO image, OK, yes, warning, data device, OK, ready is complete, close. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.